Hey guys, we have been given the graph of a circle and we want to know what the equation is, okay? You've probably been doing this, but working backwards, right? You've been given an equation and you've been graphing the circle. So now we're just working backwards, okay? So we have our little handy standard form of a circle, right? This is what we are going to write our equation as. So the first thing, well, there's two things I need, right? In order to write it in this form, I need to know the center of my circle and the radius of my circle, okay? So my center and my radius, okay? Remember, when we fill this in, the x will stay an x, the y will stay a y, and we will put in numbers for h, k, and r, okay? So my center, if we look at my circle here, is obviously that little dot right there, right? So what is that ordered pair? That ordered pair is -3, 5. Okay, that is my center. Look, we already have a bunch of the info we need. Okay, my radius. Radius is from the center to the end, not the end, I always say end, the edge, I don't even know what to call it, all right, to the circle, right? So, and it goes in all the directions, right? This is the radius, this is the radius, right? But the easiest way for us to count it is when it's flat, right? Because then I can just count it as long as this passes cleanly, which in this case it does, okay? So I can just count this 1, 2, 3, 4. So my radius is 4. Now there could be some times when maybe you're given a different point and you need to use either the midpoint formula or the distance formula to figure out the radius. But for this example, we could just count it, okay? All right, so I have my center and my radius, so I can start filling this guy out, right? So I'm gonna have x minus h. Now remember, h and k are my center. So this is my h, this is my k. So we are subtracting h, which is -3. Okay, we need to make sure we write both of those negatives. Okay, x minus a -3. We got a lot of parentheses going on, but we'll simplify it. Squared. Okay, plus y minus k, which is 5, squared, equals r, which is 4, squared. Okay, now let's just simplify it down so there's not so many parentheses and things, and we'll be good, okay? So when I subtract a negative, that goes positive, right? When you take away a negative, take something negative away from your life, that's good, right? So we are going to have x plus 3 squared plus, this guy's good, just how he is, y minus 5 squared equals 4 squared is 4 times 4, right? Which gives me 16. All right, that is looking like the standard form of this circle, okay? So I'm going to circle that, and we did it, okay? If you need any more circle videos, I've got lots. I'll link a playlist for you. Thanks, bye.